Hi Dragon. I'm gonna tell you more about what I've been doing. So this is the last AR VR thing. I'm more trying to get 3D working for a map. Um, well, so far it doesn't look too bad. Okay, let's start it on Unity. I'm learning at the same time as I'm doing it, but okay, this is actually the University of Exeter, and this little guy here is you. So if I click with my arrow, you can move around. I get data from OpenStreetMap that reconstruct the 3D buildings. So this is doing a tile thing. So that means it's gonna download from the servers of OpenStreetMap, actually MapZen, which is a new service which has some interesting things in it. I'll talk about it later, but yeah. So your little guy is moving around on the map, and if I zoom out, you can see there's difference of color. It's kind of yellow on the left, and it gets more green as you're going to the right for the terrain, because I have captured the height map data from a server from MapZen. So now instead of changing the color of the terrain, which is so far flat, I'm going to make the terrain higher or lower with the height data that I got, and then I'm going to add the water vector elements so that I can get the rivers and stuff. So the idea is, okay, this is where there's a little change. The idea is going to be, well, perhaps if we've got photos of flooding in one area for one particular house, when we click on that house that we face, we can get the exact GIS coordinate of that particular house and block via OpenStreetMap. We can link it to the nearest flood photo from the area to extract some sort of height of the flood, and then apply it to the whole area which is in a similar height in the neighborhood. So it's a bit of a difference from the pure flooding thing, but I think we could make a prototype work. I just need a week roughly to get the water integrated, and as it works in 3D on this view, it could work on a first person view too, for a more virtual reality oriented thing. So the idea being, if you walk around, you enter the address or postcode, it transports you in whatever area you are in. It checks the heights, the 3D. It gives you the reconstruction of the area, and then you can click on the building. It's going to give you perhaps a view of the building. This can be integrated in a phone, but for the purpose of a demo, I suspect it would probably be easier to just show what we do from the computer at the moment. Okay, just mostly learning the technology, working on it. I'm not exactly sure. I don't really have a super precise idea, in the sense that now I've got that base working. I'm gonna add the water bits on it. You can just tell me what you think, what you'd like. Okay, that's pretty much it. Let me stop the recording.